today we're spotting meme coin momentum early. That's what we're trying to do. I'm not a financial advisor. Everybody knows meme coins are a hot thing. They're always a hot thing in crypto because they're nonsensical and people make money with it, and everybody feels like it's funny to do that. And it is funny. It's also really funny to lose that money too, really. It is. It's hilarious. I've done it many times. But the thing is that there is a difference in meme coins. Some are built different and they just come in and you look at them and they feel different. The community feels different. And you're like, where did this come from? And what you learn is a lot of these coins that move the way they move, a lot of them are controlled in a sense, and they don't actually come out of nowhere. Meme coins are very risky, high rewards. It can have high rewards, a lot of risk. And that always keeps the main traditional kind of investors away from meme coins. But there's enough people that are interested in it to make them just run in crazy ways. But you have to look at what is pushing the coins. Like, is it, sometimes something like Peanut, the meme, the squirrel, like memes can push these things, obviously. But a lot of times it is simply people are in these coins who have big investments in other coins and are rich and have been here for a long time. They just move money all the time. So it is important to notice, I saw Pepe. I was very early. I was the first couple days to Pepe, all organic, all on my own. Nobody told me about it. I just saw the way that it was getting talked about. You look for the way that it's not only talked about, but the way that people come in and interact with it. And what you'll notice is it's almost always a planned movement. Successful meme coins often rely on an incredible graphic. And there they are. Successful meme coins often rely on strong, engaged communities driving early adoption. Exactly. But when somebody comes and takes over one of these projects, there's still holders of the original people that were owning the project there, and they're very excited to see somebody new come in and take over. They almost always think that it's going to, produce some kind of big return for them, and it usually doesn't. But these things pump when you don't expect it, right? Everybody knows that. It has to, because if it pumped when you're expecting it, then the volume would not be reflecting that it's not supposed to do that at that time. So a listing on prominent exchanges often signals a meme coin's legitimacy and potential for rapid growth. So there you go. Whenever you see a major exchange list a coin, that's good. What they're telling you is, even though there's not an entity behind this coin that can, give us money if something happens, but it means that, there are people out there that are very interested in it and want to trade it, and it has legitimacy to make it move. And that's the kind of thing that, big market movers are looking for. Monitor social media trends. So we know the exchanges are big. Social media trends are also big. Sentiment is a website. You guys can check it out. I'll be honest with you. I don't think Sentiment is that great. I actually think it's pretty crappy. I want it to be good. I always want Sentiment to be great. It's a play off of the word. Let me rephrase this. I'm going to try not to be negative towards Sentiment. It's just a website that I particularly, it's not the kind that I like. I like something that's a little more laid out in very cut and dry manners, which you're measuring sentiment. So how can you? But I have always wanted to create something called the Crypto YouTuber Index. And what it is it's based off of how bullish or bearish crypto YouTubers are on a given day. It's just like the Fear and Greed Index. And I think what we'll find is the more bullish that someone is, like especially a major YouTuber, probably the more red that day's going to see. And there's tons of reasons for that. One reason would be smart investors look and see when all the YouTubers are saying, yeah, everybody buy. They're always looking for that. But even beyond that, it's a lagging indicator when someone's bullish about the market when they're making a video because things are in the green. It's lagging. I'm telling you that the market is going to zero today because it's down a little bit this morning, or I'm telling you that we're going to, $1 zillion in 1 year, because the market's up 0.2%, right? It's the same thing we make fun of stock guys for. We do it sometimes.